Hello and welcome to the NLC Prep channel. I'm your host, Dr. Tony Nettleman, and today we're going to be looking at some fantastic practical surveying tips, tricks, and knowledge. I hope you really enjoy it. If you do, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell icon so you can see more great upcoming content which is just around the corner. Let's get started.
Before you can begin enjoying the benefits of your differential level, you've got to know how to properly set it up, because without a proper setup, you're going to be recording measurements that contain blunders. When we begin, all we need are two things: our tripod and our differential level. Now let's remember that when you set up this differential level, you should not set it up over the point you're occupying. You should simply set it up halfway between the back sight and foresight. All right, let's get started. To begin with, we're going to pull a differential level up to eye level and lock down all three legs. Next, spread out the differential level so it's about level. Doesn't have to be perfect, but somewhere about level is great. Next, jump on all three legs, because without a very good base, your level is going to be moving everywhere. All right, so we have the level just about plane and all three legs are stomped in. Well, let's go ahead and drop the level on the instrument. Simply grab the level from the box, place the level on the face of the tripod, and screw in the tripod to the level. You may find it helpful to simply pull up a little bit so you can feel where the level goes in. Okay, at this point we have the tripod set up and we have the level screwed in. But it's not a differential level for nothing. You've got to go ahead and center the bubble where it should be on a plane surface. To do this, simply move one of your three legs so that the level comes into bubble alignment. Once you can see the level bubble come just about to the center of the level, now it's time to use our three screws. And these guys are called tri-brack alignment screws. And we're going to use the screws to go that extra little distance. So now that I've leveled using the tripod legs and I've leveled using the tri-brack adjustment screws, my level is perfectly in the center of that zero. And we're now ready to begin occupying and measuring with our differential level.